Placing the strut mount and bearing on the 2002 VW Cabrio. This mount has already been replaced. This is the old one, but I will show you how it was done very easily. This is the old bearing, and the mount comes with that right there, the bearing, and this cap, this cover. All right. What I'm going to do is take this off again and show you how it was done. First, you want to jack the vehicle up and make sure the tire is off the ground. You may place jack stands underneath it in case of jack failure. And then with a 22 millimeter socket, impact gun, remove the retaining nut. Removing the nut and the retainer plate, the strut assembly would drop down a little, but it's not down far enough to remove that bearing and bushing. What I'll do is go underneath and try and push the mount up to get it, because right now it's attached to the top of the struts. It's on there pretty good. So if you go underneath and push that mount up, it will loosen up. And then using a piece of metal on top of the tire and underneath, kind of underneath the engine compartment a little bit. Let me get a light so you can see. Right up in there. Make sure you're not on any plastic or wire harness. Press down, and the top you will see what's happening to the top here. It's going down. Then you have to loosen up this bearing by poking it from the bottom, because it's pressed onto the strut pretty good, but it's not that difficult to remove. Push it up. Once it's loosened and you pry down, you can take it off and feed it off the top of the strut, and then put the new one on. And once that's on, this will come up in place. But what you need to do at this point is let the car down slowly. This bearing is put in place this way on top of the strut. Okay, and then let's assume this is it here, and then the mount will go on top of that like that. All right, but when you put the bearing in, then you put the nut. This is a special nut. You put that nut in place, and that will ride on this area here.